Nansen turned to Colin Archer to build a vessel that would withstand the crushing ice. And so, the Fram was created. On the 24th of June 1893, the expedition began with a crew of 12 and Nansen as leader. The Fram was sailed close to where the Jeanette was wrecked, and as expected became locked in the ice. The drift began. A 3-year odyssey, including Nansen's expedition with Johansen attempting to reach the North Pole. Nansen was a scientist, and an extensive scientific survey was scheduled. This expedition further enhanced his status and helped unify the Norwegian nation as it moved towards independence. Roald Amundsen, since boyhood, had been fascinated by John Franklin's expedition and tragic fate to discover the Northwest Passage. And it was then that Amundsen's idea of making the first transit through was born. This was also to be a science mission. The plan was to observe the current position of the North Magnetic Pole. The Ewer was bought in Tromsø, northern Norway, in 1901. A small crew of 6 were hired, and the journey began. After 2 stops on the west coast of Greenland, Amundsen wintered in a small harbour he named Ewerhaven, and from here scientific observations were made. In 1905, Amundsen resumed the voyage and took the Ewer through the unsolved link of the Northwest Passage, and thus he had achieved his ambition. The third Fram expedition originally started going north, before Amundsen told the team he was actually going south to Antarctica. Nansen, King Haakon and Robert Scott were all informed of his